Ever wondered how the ancient wisdom of elemental astrology could intersect with the cutting-edge world of blockchain? Today marks the genesis of an extraordinary journey where these two seemingly disparate realms converge. This series promises to unlock secrets for identifying the next big crypto gems using elemental astrology. Prepare to gain a competitive edge in the market by realizing how elemental astrology intertwines with the predictive phases of blockchain technology. Blockchain isn't merely a technology, it's the backbone of a new financial era. Its transparency, security, and decentralized nature are revolutionizing the way we trade and invest in crypto. Grasping its intricacies is crucial for spotting those quintessential 100x profit-making opportunities. Elemental astrology, encompassing fire, earth, air, and water, is more than just horoscopes. It's a guide to market sentiments and investor behavior. By comprehending these elements, you can predict market trends and make smarter investment choices. Fire symbolizes innovation and energy. In the crypto world, this translates to identifying groundbreaking technologies and startups. These are your potential 100 times gems, fueled by the fiery spirit of blockchain innovation. Earth represents stability. In crypto trading, this means finding investments with solid foundations, cryptocurrencies that promise steady growth and resilience. These are your safe havens in the volatile crypto landscape. Air is all about communication and intellect. It reflects the pulse of the market, the buzz around new coins, the spread of blockchain technology. By tuning into this element, you'll stay ahead of market trends. All water symbolizes intuition and adaptability. In crypto trading, it's about reading the undercurrents of the market, sensing when to dive in or pull back. This element is your guide through the ever-changing tides of cryptocurrency investments. This is just the beginning. Harnessing the power of elemental astrology in blockchain and crypto trading sets you up for unprecedented success. Stay tuned for our next episode of a 12-part series, where we dive deeper into the fiery realm of blockchain innovation. Prepare to discover those elusive crypto gems, and like and subscribe to be notified when each part of this series is released.